Hi folks, it's Moz here and we're now in August, but we're going to go through all of the new tool scale models that have been announced in July, and also we're going to be having a competition. Yeah, we're in August now, so I'm going to go back to July where we had 8 new tooled model kits announced, and I'm not talking 3D print or cast resin. I'm just talking, general manufacture of plastic styrene scale model kits. And I thought I would chuck in a competition this time. And on the bench, I have this Takom Panther up for grabs. Now it's opened. I have reviewed it for a later video, so you'll see a review on this, and when it goes live I will link it in the description box below. But if you want to win this Takom Panther, it's the Blitz Super range, and it's a very nice kit. All you have to do is leave a comment on this video, and then what I will do is in a couple of weeks I will announce the winner by choosing randomly from a hat or from a bit of software a name, and then I will tell you how to contact me to win this Panther tank from Takom. Right, let's get on with these 8 new tooled scale model kits. So Gecko announced 2 models this month, and the first one was this British Infantry Tank Mark 1 A11 Type 1 Matilda 1 in 1/35th scale. And looking on the internet, they have released pictures of the tank, and you will see that it has, I think, a pretty good representation of this Matilda. It comes with photo etch, obviously, because that's what Gecko does. And I'm loving the track. I think the sag looks fantastic on the top there, just along the wheels there, and they do seem to have some really good detail on this kit. It does look like it does have some interior on the turret, and inside you can clearly see that they have packed it full of detail, particularly where the driver is sitting on this tank. Not much information what schemes will come with this Matilda, but it will come with 1 driver figure. Recommended retail price of this kit will be around £32.49, but I have seen it on a lot of scale model shops online going for around £29. So if you want to pre-order that, go and check out your local model shop for details. Next on our list is RS Models, and they have announced an RWD-13 SST in 1/72nd scale. On this Polish website, they have a test shot built, and they have pictures of the sprue. It will be a single sprue, and this sprue will consist of 50 parts, obviously a clear part for the glass. It will come with 3 schemes. Apparently it's Polish pre-World War II and Middle East post-war, but I'm not an expert when it comes to marking, so do some research on that. Online, looking at prices, I've come across one website that's claiming that this kit will be around €19 in price. So what's that, £17 English? So no exact pricing as yet, but for that sort of money I would expect a little bit more. But if it's the kind of kit you would want to build, then please go have a look for it at your local model shop. Next on the list we have Meng. They have announced a brand new tooled German main battle tank Leopard 284 in 1/72nd scale. Fantastic box art. The size of it is approximately 134 millimeters in length, 53 millimeters in width, and 41 millimeters in height. The kit will include decals. The driver and the crew hatches can be built in open or closed position, and comes with cement-free workable track links. There's a metal barrel included, as well as a plastic one. And this modular design of the build, looking at this picture, that will help with the fine details that you will have to paint on this kit. I can't find any pre-orders available on any website, so pricing wise I'm going to guesstimate roughly around the £20 mark for this 1/72nd scale kit. But the pictures look fab, and I think this will be great for those who build in 1/72nd scale. Next on the list is Gecko Models, and true to form, they are releasing a British GS truck 30 underweight 4x2 Bedford OXD wooden cargo body. It will come with 4 options for decal markings to choose from. It will include a driver figure and a British fuel can set. It will have the normal photo etch parts that they put into their kits. And looking at it, it looks a very fine model. You can see quite a bit of photo etch there with the front grille and the sides. You can have the canopy on or off. They've got the fuel tanks underneath, the fuel cans underneath as well. Detailed engine. And yes, it comes with 10 of these fuel sets, looking at the picture. And it says it's a gift. And there's 2 types, it looks like. As I said, there are 4 different schemes. The 51st Devon Light Anti-Aircraft Regiment, the 1st Battalion King's Own Yorkshire Light Infantry, the Sussex Field Park Company, and the Divisional Postal Section, which is what their box art is representing on this kit. Nice decal sheet with plenty of markings there, including water and petrol for those cans. There's the photo etch sheet there, plenty of parts there, 51 parts. Just look at the picture there though, it's got 51 numbered a few times, so just be wary of that at the bottom there. And again, really good box art. Price, again, nothing online, but going by previous releases, between £30 and £35, and I'm sure that your local model shop will stock this. Just jumping into this video very quickly to ask a bit of a favour. If you are enjoying the content on this channel but are not yet a subscriber, will you please consider becoming a subscriber? It's completely free, and all you've got to do is click subscribe, and if you ring that bell, click all, you'll be notified when I release a new video. Obviously, please give this video a like as well, and if you have any thoughts on the kits that I'm showing, please leave a comment below. Anyway, let's get back to the video. Next we have Ace, and they have announced 2 new scale models, but unfortunately there's not a lot about it online apart from their website. The first is this 4x4 LKW 0.5 ton GL Type 460 in 1/72nd scale, which is basically a W460 G class, developed as a military vehicle from a suggestion by the Shah of Iran Mohammad Reza, and it was then later offered as a civilian vehicle in 1979. It was used by the Argentine army in 1981, and at least one of these was captured by the Royal Air Force in the Falklands. I don't know of any pricing, there's no CAD detail on this, but they are saying it will be released in 2026. And the second kit that they've announced is this, the Unimog S404 Krankenwagen. Now, 1/72nd scale, this one is under development. It's a special purpose vehicle post World War II. And that is all I can see on their website. Going by pricing, I know that ICM have one of these as an ambulance, and their 1/35th scale is around £35 to £45. So Ace will probably do half that, so maybe 20-25 quid for this kit. But there's nothing else online apart from they're under development and they should be with us in 2026. Next on our journey, we have Xscale from the Ukraine. They have announced a new turboprop plane, so if you're a fan of them, you might be interested in this one. It is the ATR 42-300 American Eagle. Beautiful box art, and it does come with the one scheme only. You'll be getting 5 sprues of parts for this one and a clear part as well. Looking at the fuselage, they don't have windows, so it's a decal that you put up for the windows, blacked out, but there is some cockpit detail in this way which you can see through the clear part. The CAD images look pretty slick, but you are talking 1/4 scale here. They are available on their website for €30, but I've noticed that Jadlam do have them for sale, and they're doing them for £28.95 with free delivery. So yeah, announced last month, they are now available this month. You can get them pre-order from Jadlam, or they are available on the Xscale website now for around about €30 plus the postage. You get it from there to here. Finally, one last kit to announce. I put it to the end because I've been in contact with Eduard. Now, they have announced a brand new MiG-21, but the confusion was, is this a new tooling or is it an old one? They've come back to me and said it's new, and I've asked for some CAD imagery, but they haven't come back to me yet, but they're still working on the tooling. But anyway, let's just quickly talk about this kit and what you're going to be getting in this edition. It is the EFKA MiG-21F-13 in Czechoslovak service in 1/48 scale. Now, the price of this kit on the website is £68.91. So it's high up when it comes to pricing of 1/48 scale kits. So this limited series kit will contain one set of plastic frames, photo etch parts, a mask for painting the canopy, T-face, for both inner and outer surfaces, an O-mask mask for covering the landing gear bays when painting the model, a magnet, a decal sheet with the 8 colour schemes of the Czechoslovak Air Force MiG-21 F-13, and the decal sheet with complete stencils. And this kit will include a book about the production and service of the MiG-21Fs. So yeah, I know people have kind of squirmed, including folks who follow the Eduard Facebook page, saying that it's quite high end. And also for us English, I think the book's going to be in the Czech language, so I wouldn't even understand the book. I might enjoy the pictures, especially if they were black and white and I could paint them in. But no, yeah, so it's quite a bit of money, but again, this is limited edition. I presume that they will send out, or they will release it as a Profi pack at some point, or a Weekender pack, or even, I think it's a Royal pack. I think there's 4 different ways of releasing the kit now from them, but plenty there to think about if you want to buy this kit. It says discontinued on the website, but that's because they're still tinkering with the moldings. But if I do get the CAD information or the images, I will do a separate video on this one so that I can put it out there. I've talked to Gary at Tiger Hobbies, and I don't think they will get this particular version on this run. It will probably be a couple of months' time before they get them in this country, because, you know, Tiger Hobbies is a distributor of Eduard models and their accessories. But yeah, is this a kit that you would like to build? I love the MiGs, I really do, and with the Czechoslovakian scheme, you can't go wrong really, and you've got 8 to play with. But yeah, leave them in the comments box below, you know, your thoughts on the pricing and the release of this kit. And like I said, I kept this one to the end because there was a lot of confusion on whether it was just a rebox from the 2011 MiG-21 that they released. But no, I have been told from Eduard that it is definitely a brand new tooling that they are working on as we speak. So there are 8 new tooled scale models. That one is available now, and the rest should be here this year or maybe the beginning part of next year. Which ones really took your fancy? Leave them in the comments box below, and if you do comment, you'll be in line to win the kit from Takum. As I said, I will announce the winner, or pick and announce the winner on Airfix and Chill, which is on a Monday night. There's a bit of a debate, commentary sort of chat that we have for 2 hours, and we have guests on, and yeah, it's a really good time. So if you're around on a Monday night from 8 p.m, Airfix and Chill, and come and join us on that Monday. Anyways, if you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, will you please subscribe? And if you ring that bell, click all, you'll be notified when I release a new video. Huge shout out goes to my channel members who help me financially running this channel. If you'd like to become a channel member, click join below and select which membership tier you so wish. We do have a Tuesday night channel members only live stream. It's more of a hangout where we work on our bench and we talk scale modeling and just have a bit of fun and a bit of banter, and maybe even discuss sort of techniques and anything that comes new to the hobby. But that's just for channel members. In one of the 4 corners will be a video or a playlist of other content on my channel that you might like. Please feel free to click on that, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great week.